I am over here at Outrageous Lighting. We are getting some rock lights put on the Jeep. Now, if you've seen our night wheeling video from Crossbar Ranch, if you've been on our Instagram or our Facebook page, then you've already seen that we have some rock lights on there. But what we're doing is we're actually going to add some more lights to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the Jeep pulled in here, we're going to get it up on the lift, and we're going to put those lights on. So we're really excited to see how that's going to look. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe. You can do that in the bottom right hand corner where you see that little play button. Make sure you click that notification bell, lets you know when we're dropping new content. And let's go ahead and get started. All of the lights that David uses at Outrageous Lighting are custom made specifically for him. The lights that you see here are what we have on the Jeep. They're 24-watt LED lights, and they're absolutely heavy duty. I mean, both in terms of weight as well as in durability. So whenever you're putting rock lights on your Jeep, you can choose how many you want to put on. For those that are not familiar with what rock lights are used for, they are used to allow you to see at night whenever you're night wheeling. For us, we wanted both the capability of having colored lights as well as white lights. Typically, you have white lights to show the rocks and everything underneath you when you night wheel. But for us, we like to camp, we like to have fun and take pictures of the Jeep. So colored lights were something that we definitely wanted to have on the Jeep as well. For those that are looking for rock lights, you can have quite a bit. The more that you put underneath your Jeep, the more likely you are to see underneath your Jeep when you're wheeling, and for us, that was a big plus. Unfortunately, our first time out at Katemsi, we did learn the hard way and a very expensive lesson that rock lights are essential whenever you're night wheeling. We did have to replace our front axle after our first trip to Katemsi, and so for us, we highly recommend that anybody that wants to do any night wheeling, that they definitely look at trying to get rock lights installed. You can do them either yourself or you can have someone like David put them in for you. all done. I am sure that you are excited to see the lights just as much as I am. I love how bright it is. It looks super awesome. For those of you that are interested in getting your own lights, David is super awesome and he's giving us our own code. Make sure you guys check the description below to be able to see what that code is and what your discount amount will be. As always, we appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell if you want to see when we're dropping new content, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!